family and friends. Welcome to another episode. Today, it's been a busy day. Lots of decorating, but hey, we're getting there. We are going to do a spicy chicken spaghetti tonight. First of all, we're going to go, I've got my water already started boiling for my spaghetti. I'm going to put about a couple of tablespoons of margarine in a hot skillet. And probably a couple tablespoons of oil. We're going to fry up some chicken. Chicken tenders.
They're very tasty.
Yeah, it'll be tasty. Woo.
The sizzle.
It is hot. My skillet was hot whenever I put my butter in, my margarine in. I have salted and peppered some chicken tenders and put them in some flour. And all we're going to need to do is just put this chicken in this hot oil and margarine and let her cook. It'll take about 15 minutes or so. We're going to cook these good old chicken tenders. Yeah, my sizzle kind of went down a little bit, didn't it?
Yeah. There we go. We got a little bit back.
Yeah, there we go. When these chicken tenders are all finished, we'll set them aside to cool, and then we'll come back and do the rest of it. But we'll, once they're cooled, we'll take and kind of cut them in chunks to go in our spaghetti. Okay, this will cook for about 15 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, I've got my chicken has cooked, and I've kind of cut it up a little bit. I've got my spaghetti still cooking. It is boiling. I am going to add a 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies.
Oh, listen to the sizzle.
I'm going to add mushrooms and pieces, stems, a 4-ounce that's been drained. And then we're going to add a can of chicken soup, cream of chicken soup. Next time I'm going to make my own.
You are?
Yeah, I'll make my own and add to it. Let me get my spoon. Okay, we're just going to let this cook together. And I am going to add a pound of Velveeta cheese to it. Get that cream of chicken soup all stirred up good in it. Okay. I'm going to add a cup of half and half to it. If it gets too dry, I'll add more, but I'm going to go ahead and put Velveeta cheese in here.
Tasty.
Once we'll let it cook until the Velveeta cheese melts. Once it all melts together, then we'll take our spaghetti that we have cooking and we'll put it together. We're going to put it in a pan and let it cook for about 30 minutes on 350. So we're going to just let this cook. It takes probably about 5 minutes or so for this here to come together and melt good together. And then we're going to put it, like I said, in a 13 by 9 pan with the spaghetti. Then we'll put it in the oven. Okay, my pan wasn't big enough for me to put my spaghetti in, so I've taken a little bit of it and put it in my spaghetti. And all I did was about 12 ounces of spaghetti. Didn't do a full pound. Now I'm going to just take the rest of this and pour over it and mix it up.
And look at that creamy goodness.
Yeah. We'll mix it up. I sprayed my pan.
Yeah.
So it shouldn't stick. Okay. Now I'm going to take this and mix it up. Like I said, I have my oven preheated at 350. I'm going to put this in the oven uncovered for about 30 minutes till it just kind of cooks all the way through. And we'll be back. Okay, it's time to take our spicy chicken spaghetti out of the oven.
That looks delicious.
And this is the final product right there. We're going to have some salad with it. It'll be tasty. So we appreciate everybody watching. Thank you so much. I hope you like it, subscribe, and come back and see us. Just remember, God is good all the time.
All the time, God is good.